This is Kiefer. He's been sat with us about half an hour, and and every time I meditate, he pokes me in the ribs. Bless him. You right, Keith? Keep getting excited when I feed you, don't you? He does the exciting noise when I feed him. You listen to this. Do it, Kiefer. There you go. Very unique, that's for sure. Don't you, Keith? You're so funny. You are funny. Oh dear. Bless you. I love his coat. He's got a beautiful coat. Keeps it really clean. Take Keith. I know you want more. You're very demanding. Him gnawing on my arm. That's him saying, "Come on, more seeds." And he'll just keep going. Hey, Keith. Tango behind us. Hey, Tango. How you doing, buddy? And what's your name? You're only a baby, aren't you? Nearly a year old. Oh, there comes Clive, herding them back. That's Clive, herding all these back over here. He's kind of isolated himself. He's got no friends now because he keeps having a go at everyone. But he doesn't want friends. It's not a case of, oh, it's just, he's doing his job while his missus is sat on the nest.